and today we are going to study Unit 16 grammar, okay? And here in this grammar used to, okay? So today topic grammar is Unit 16 grammar used to we are going to study. And then first we are going to know what is used to, okay, and what used to tell us, okay. So here, yes, let's know about this one. It shows that somebody was in the habit of something. Habit of something. Okay. Number 2. It is used only for past event. Okay. Number 3. It is not used for present situation. Okay. Now, this one we have to know. It shows that somebody was in the habit of something. Right? It means past ma. Right? अहिले हैन, पहिला मेरो habit थियो तर अहिले छैन. त्यसलाई देखाउँछ यसले used to भनेको past event लाई represent गर्छ. Okay? It is used only for past event. It is not used for present situation. So we have to use used to for past event, not for present situation. Just like example, I'll say here. I used to have long hair. Okay? Not now. Not now. Now listen here. What example I have given here? I used to have long hair. Okay? It means, now look, I used to, that is the habit, previous habit, okay, past habit of mine. I used to keep long hair, but now the hair is very short. Okay? It means, previous it was a habit of mine to have, okay, long hair, but now not. Not now. Okay? अहिले habit छैन. पहिला थियो. Okay? So I used to have long hair. Okay. Number B. I used to run for 10 miles every day, but not now. I used to run for 10 miles every day. प्रत्येक दिन 10 miles म दौड्ने गर्थे, तर अहिले गरिरहेको छैन. It means past event. It is not used for present situation or present condition. This is clear? Okay. So now, I am going to write some structures, uses of used to, how we are going to use. Okay, shall I erase this one? Okay. Structure. No, wait. Here affirmative. Affirmative, it means what will be? Subject plus used to plus infinitive. That infinitive is verb 1, okay? Plus object. Okay? Example. I used to cry while going to school. Okay? I used to cry while going to school. Okay? One example. Number 3. I used to teach when I was in KTM. जब हम काठमांडू थिए तब हम पढ़ाउने गर्दथे. I used to teach पढ़ाउने गर्दथे. I used to cry रुने गर्दथे. Okay, that they used to affirmative. And now negative here. Subject plus did not plus used to plus infinitive. Verb 1 plus object. And now example, if I am going to write, I did not used to play football. I did not used to play football. Okay? Yes. This is affirmative and this is negative. This one, this is what we are going to use. Did not and use. If we are going to use did not, then we have to use verb 1 after this verb 1 and then after infinitive then verb 1 we have to use. Okay? Yes. Shall I read this one? Okay. Now, interrogative now. Interrogative. Did plus subject plus used to plus again infinitive verb 1 plus object plus question marks. Okay. Now example I am going to write here. Did you use to bunk the class? Did you used to bunk the class? Okay. Now there did you interrogative sentence here. Did subject use then after verb 1. Then did use subject used to here became we are studying used to and then after bunk the class. Okay. This one interrogative. Now, interrogative negative. How we are going to use it? Did not plus subject plus used to plus infinitive plus object plus question marks. An example here what will be did not you used to cry while going to school? Going to school. Number B. Did not your parents used to drop you Yes, drop you in school. Yes, now. This one. Did not your parents used to drop you in a school? Did not you used to cry while going to school? This is what we are going to use interrogative, and this is interrogative negative. Yes. The last one I am going to write here. WS question. Okay. Question, that is called question. In your book there is given. In their book, your book given. Yes, question. Negative statement, affirmative negative statement, or a question. Question means WS question. Okay. What we can say? Question. That is WS question. Okay. Now, for that, yes, what you are going to write? WS word. You know that WS family words? WS word family. Okay? What, how, when, who, why, where, which, whom. That all words, okay, used to ask question that are WS word, WS family. Okay? Then, auxiliary verb plus subject in bracket and used to plus verb 1, that is called infinitive, plus object in bracket and then question marks. Now here, yes, example I am going to write here. Where did you used to live in Germany? Yes. Where did you used to live in Germany? जर्मनी मा हुँदाखेरि जर्मनी मा कहाँ बस्ने गर्दथियौ यसको अर्थ हुन्छ WH क्वेशन वा क्वेशन हामीले भन्न सक्छौं क्वेशन को लागि कसरी युज गर्ने के युज गर्ने भनेको यो हुन्छ है Where did you कहिले काहीँ हामीले अब्जेक्ट हटाउनु पर्छ कहिले सब्जेक्ट हटाउनु पर्छ है त्यो अनुसारले अब्जेक्ट र सब्जेक्टलाई ब्रैकेटमा राखिएको छ ओके सो after that structures we are going to do exercises okay yes textbook page number 150 that we are going to do okay and number 1 what given here number 1 yes number 1 here okay question what is given here what we have to make now we write the following sentences giving used to you can make an affirmative negative statement or a question okay now number 1 a number given I live okay in a flat when I was a child now listen here यसलाई हामीले गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ I live in a flat when I was a child okay so here this is already in affirmative so we can make negative okay and we can make question WH question so here I used to live in a flat when I was a child. Number 1 became any problem there? Okay. Number B. Now number B. Okay. No. Okay. Questions also we have to make. Na? Sorry, right? Number questions now we are going to make question. Then where did you used to live in a Now live here. Where did you used to live? When you were a child. This is the questions, okay, for 1 number. Number B. She loved eating chocolate, but now she hates it. Now what we are going to write here? It means she loved eating chocolate, but now she hates it. But now she is not in habit, okay? It means she used to love eating chocolate. But now she hates it. Okay? And what we are going to make then the question? How we are going to make question? Okay. What did she used to love, but now she hates it? What did she used to love, but now she hates it? Questions also became here. Like that, if you are going to do that all exercises, and you can do it. Very easy. It is very easy. Yes. You can do yourself. Okay? Yes. And then after, other. Yes? In the same. Okay. Shall I read this one? Okay. Okay, number C. What we are going to do? Number C. Yes. We go to fishing in the summer. Okay. Let me write all, and then we are going to do. My sister play tennis when she was at school. Okay. E number. He play football weekend. Okay. Let's do 3 first, okay? And then we are going to do other. Okay? Yes. So this one we are going to do now. He go to fishing in the summer. Then he used to go to fishing in the summer. And questions how we are going to? When did he used to go to fishing? That question. My sister played tennis when she was at school. Okay? My sister used to play tennis when she was at school. Okay, and here, when did she was at a school, answer will be, okay, he played football every weekend. He used to play football every weekend. Okay? And when did he used to play football? When did he used to play football? Every weekend. अर्को पनि बनाउन सक्छौं यसलाई. What did he used to play every weekend? Question marks. Answer will be football. What did he used to play every weekend? Football. Okay. Now, rest one we are going to complete today. Okay. This today only we are going to complete. Yes. Other number up to E number we completed. Now F number. So this one also I am going to write. Okay. And then I am going to write all directly. F number. Okay. F number. My grandfather speak 5 languages. Okay. F G number. I not hate school from the beginning. This one H number. You live in Kathmandu. Let me put some ink. It is not looking. Okay. Now became, yes, I number. He play Dandibio, when he was a small child. Okay. One more we have. That yes, last one we can do this one. Okay. My grandfather speak 5 languages. Okay. It means my grandfather used to speak 5 languages. Okay. And then after, yes, how many languages did your grandfather used to speak? Because how many languages, okay, did your grandfather used to speak? Okay. I did not. There is not given here. I did not used to hate school from the beginning. I did not. Here is not, that's why it is in negative. I did not used to hate school from the beginning. Okay. this one the slow we are interrogative questions we are going to make. What did you used to do from the beginning? Okay, from the beginning, what did you used to do from the beginning? Okay, this one. Other you live in Kathmandu here. You used to live in Kathmandu. Okay? Where did you used to live? Became he played Dundee View. Okay? He used to play Dundee View when he was a small child. And questions: what did he used to play when he was a small child? This one question. Other question also we have to make. When did he used to play Dundee View? Then when he was a child. Okay. So last question of this exercise here. Just like here, J number is last here. Shall I use this one here? Last number, okay? J. She wear a frock when she was small, but nowadays she wears jeans. This is the last question of this exercise. And what we are going to do? Then she used to wear a frock when she was small, but nowadays she wears jeans. Okay? And now here, what did she used to wear when she was small? One became this one. What did she used to wear when she was small? This is the question. And again that the number B here given, write a short paragraph describing your past habit. Okay. Your past habit, you have to write your past habit in past, okay, by using used to. Okay, by using used to you have to write your past. Okay, so I'm going to write how to write your past habit. One sample I'm going to write on the board. Okay, thank you. Yes, this is one past habit and I have written, and how we are going to use the use of used to, and this is one example. This is the short, okay, my past habit. What you used to do and what you did not used to do, then you can write yourself with the help of this, and you have to write one your past habit, okay. And so yes, you can see this one. I am Rupak Pandit. When I was a child, I used to play cricket, but I did not used to play card. I used to go to school. I always used to go to the school. I used to cry while going to school. Sometimes I used to bunk the classes. I did not used to fight with my friends. I used to love everyone. I had a cycle. I used to drive. I used to sing, but I did not used to dance. I used to see the movie. I did not used to smoke and drink. I did not used to speak English. I used to stand first in my class. I used to speak English. This is one short, okay? How you are going to use this one? You can get many more help with the words and the usage of used to here. Yes, thank you.